So I thought, why not mash up mac and cheese with my other favourite Italian ingredient, not ingredient, Italian meal, pizza. 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 Yo, I'm Chris Roberts, aka Flamebaster, and welcome to beautiful North Wales. Not that you can see much of it today, it's pissing it down. But my beautiful, new, sexy, gorgeous olive Roccbox is bringing the heat. Today I'm in the mood for something filthy, saucy, comforting, that's gonna hit the spot hard, and it has to be macaroni and cheese. Gooey, molten, carb on carb action, finished off with some Welsh truffle. Wow, that is some seriously funky Welsh black gold. I love it. My little Roccbox won't know what's hit it. You think Galad Cods, let's go. So the first time I ever saw mac and cheese was when I was 5 years old watching Home Alone, and I've been addicted ever since. And most people do think of mac and cheese as an American thing, but the OG mac and cheese recipe dates back to like 13th century Italy. So I thought, why not mash up mac and cheese with my other favourite Italian food, pizza. Or, as we say in Wales, pizza. Got a pan on the heat. So in we go with the macaroni pasta. The macaroni has been boiling for about 5 minutes. And like usual, I've made way too much pasta. So let's go, cheese sauce. Another pan on the heat. In with a knob of butter. I do have a hob here, but it's not connected. Gutted. Just melt the butter in some flour. Get a little roux going. Back on the heat. It's essential you cook the flour out for a couple of minutes, okay? If you ever had the grainy mac and cheese, it's because the flour hasn't been cooked. In with some milk. Keep stirring. With my mac and cheese, go 50-50 milk and cream. Take it off the heat. No lumps, no bits. Silky, creamy. Now in with the cheese. I've got some matured Welsh cheddar here, some Gruyere, and the residual heat of the sauce will melt the cheese. And if you're like me and you're craving that microwavable mac and cheese flavour, this is the best cheese in the world. Probably legally you can't call it cheese, but don't judge me. I love plastic cheese. Just gently stir it. Nearly there. Yeah. And in with the macaroni. I like a wet macaroni and cheese. And here I like to hit it, bit of black pepper, and give it some love when you're stirring. Cheese needs to be flowing through every macaroni tube. And you know what? I should have used a bigger pan, making a mess. Mac and cheese, done. And so let's put this bad boy on a pizza. So the mac and cheese is done. Check this bad boy's up to temp. I love this Gozney gun. That's one hot oven. Okay, let's get the dough sorted. Bit of flour. Quick dough, did it this morning, let it prove, but the heat is on in the house. And just got a quick proof, so this was done about 6 hours ago. As you can see, it's really stretchy, really light, really fluffy. And I can't tell you the measurements because my scales were broken again. So I just done it by eye. But there's some really good quick dough recipes on Gozney. Now I'm gonna get it on the peel. Don't actually know how much liquid this dough can cope with, but I'm gonna take it to the max and hit it with some Parmigiano. Bwrw glaw parmesan cards. Oh, I love a good parmesan clap. And I gotta do this left-handed because of the angle of the camera crew. My God. Oh. Oh, same day dough. Already seeing those little leopard spots. Oh, look at that. Mac and cheese dancing, baby, yes. I love that leopard spot. Same day dough. Same day dough, I love it. It's gonna be one epic mini shot. Look at that bad boy. Finish off the Welsh truffle. Don't be shy with your truffle. I'm happy with that. I am happy with that. Let's go close up. I want to eat this. I want to eat it. Big love, Gozney, for sending me this Viking pizza cutter. I love it. That's just gonna burn me. It. That truffle just takes it next level, out of the universe. That is so good. That is so filthy. I don't think comfort food can be any more comfier than that. Mac and cheese and pizza go together like macaroni and cheese. Just had a little flashback of Kevin McAllister when he was all home alone. So bless this highly nutritious, microwavable mac and cheese dinner, and to the people that sold it, and God bless Gozney. Me, yeah. So get ready for the mac and cheese pizza, gooey, cheesy, oozy, molten cheese lava, carb on carb action, burn the top of your